Welcome back. This is Sage and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. Hope the trading is going as it should today. And this is the buzzing trends. So let's have a look at the buzzing news of the hour. The Wall Street witnessed a lot of companies coming out with their corporate earnings numbers since yesterday. And it has a mixed day yesterday as the numbers fall short to meet the investors' expectations. So not getting a good back from Wall Street, S&P ASX 200 still doesn't seem to have chosen a direction. It's up by approximately 30 points to reach 7063.3. And that was current at Australian Eastern Standard Time, 12:02 p.m. 7 of the 11 sectors are in the green zone, with AREIT performing the best of them. And on that note, let's have a look at the buzzing stocks for today. The first big news comes from Bingo Industries Limited. The waste management company was one of the top gainers yesterday after it announced the agreement to be bought by Macquarie Group. The stock is one of the most heavily traded stock for today. And the company aims to spread its wings into Queensland if the said acquisition is approved by shareholders in a meeting to be held in July. The government's increasing expenditure on infrastructural growth has triggered the rise in demolition waste. Also, the policy to recycle is delivering new opportunities for growth. And MIRA's financial strength and expertise would back the growth strategy of Bingo. And moving on to the next news. JB Hi-Fi, Richard Murry decides to take up new challenges after serving for 18 years. Mr Murry will leave the electronic retailing giant at the end of August and will join Premier Investments, billionaire Solomon Lew's fashion empire. Mr Murry will replace Mark McInnes, whereas Terry Smart, current head of the Good Guys, will replace Mr Murry. So JB Hi-Fi has been one of the biggest gainers of the coronavirus pandemic, cashing on changing taste of shoppers. The company last week released its quarter numbers, reflecting the continuous boom in sales in the current year. And meanwhile, the Crown Resorts problem sees no end soon. It's slapped with an US $1 million fine from the Victorian Commission for Gambling and Liquor Regulations, or the VCGLP. As per the Victorian Commission, this is the maximum fine it could have imposed on Crown for failing to comply with its regulatory obligations. Crown has been under the scanner since the time its masthead revealed in 2019 that Crown deals with junkets, which are usually wealthy Chinese gamblers having extensive links to major organised crime syndicates. And that fine for Crown Group is actually $1 million Australian dollars. This led to a Bergen inquiry in the New South Wales, which finally declared Crown being unfit to hold the licence for its new Sydney casino. Crown's Melbourne and Perth casino licences are also in question. Crown is currently also facing enforcement investigations from OzTAC, the financial crime watchdog, over breach of money laundering laws. And finally, Kohls, the supermarket giant, reported a fall in its supermarket sales during the first 3 months of this year. This fall is attributed to shoppers changing habits and getting back to normal. There is no more panic buying taking place. The like-to-like sales for the company had fallen a total of 5.4% as compared to last year, which saw like-to-like sales up by 30%. Online sales at the supermarket continue to grow, up by 49%. Kohls Liquor and Express division performed better than supermarket, with liquor rising by 2.6% and Express sales jumping by 7.4%. Thanks for your time watching. That's all from me for now, but do keep watching Kalkine TV as we bring you the latest news and trending market updates live from Sydney. And this is Sage signing off.